Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to the unit Consumers, Firms and Markets. My name is Edward Mariyani-Squire. I'm the unit coordinator and one of the lecturers in this unit. This is the first unit that students who are majoring in economics will be doing, either as part of a Bachelor of Business degree or a Bachelor of Education degree, secondary education. A number of you, a fair few of you, will actually have never done economics before. And you might be wondering, why should this be studied? We should briefly say something about why it's worth studying economics. One is that it provides you with a better understanding of the kind of society that we live in. Some of the foundational pillars that hold up our society. In particular, the regulated markets in which we operate and upon which we depend for our very lives. So that's one reason. Another reason is that it enables you to make sense of some phenomena that you find in your everyday life. Why the price of this is higher than the price of that. Why is there some unemployment in this market but not in some other sub-market? And so on. There are many, many questions that you'll discover might apply to you directly in your life as we go through this unit. And finally, because economic theory and the study of economic phenomena is absolutely crucial to the determination of economic policies, they inform economic policies. In order to understand the rationale behind economic policies and the promises made by political parties, it's really necessary as an informed citizen that you understand the underlying theoretical framework that's being used. It enables you to make evaluations of political party platforms and to determine whether you think that they're in the best interests of yourself or whether you think they're in the best interests of society or not. It's very hard to determine that without some kind of knowledge about economics. So these are general reasons why it's worth studying, even maybe necessary to study economics. Now, I've been using this term economics, but what does it mean exactly? What's the definition? Well, we immediately walk into a large problem here in attempting to answer this question, because there are many answers to that question. Many definitions have been offered over time. Part of the reason for that is that economics is a fairly old discipline, a fairly old academic discipline, going back to the 1700s. So many definitions have been offered over time. And it's not entirely clear that any particular one of them is really wrong, so to speak. I'll try and avoid doing that from now on. So let's have a look at some definitions, and by the end of that, hopefully you'll get an idea of the state of play or the field of possibilities in defining this discipline.